Good morning. As you can tell, I am in a different city today, like always. I am in Toronto. I like to start my day a little earlier before trading starts. Currently it is around 7:30 a.m. So I'm headed out for breakfast. This is kind of my favorite area in town, just so nice in the morning. It's all pink, as you can tell. I do like pink a lot. Can't make it that one. Could I get a pear croissant and a hot latte to go? Name? Chloe. Let's see how it looks. Let's see what we have planned today. So in about an hour and a half, I have trading. So we're gonna head back to start charting for my day. And then really today's schedule is pretty chill. I'm gonna take you with me on a regular day. So what do I do on a regular basis? So I feel like I'm only a morning person when I'm on Eastern time. Any other time zone, I don't like to wake up too early just because it's a weird schedule. Before I head back, I gotta show you this really cool place. Suits, the TV show, is actually filmed in Toronto. We have made it. It's right over there. Here we are. Wow. Harvey Specter was here. Oh, there's the infamous courtyard outside. This is really... I wonder how people work here when they were filming everything. Pretty crazy. What's film? You know Suits?
Yeah, Suits.
So yeah, I was like, it's here.
Actually, when I watched Suits, I had to do like some legal thing too, and I spent like $93,000. And so what I do? Is it recording right now?
It's fine.
You're welcome.
I got kicked out. This is my first time being kicked out of a place for having a professional camera. Someone DM'd me on Instagram and said that they work here. So we have traders in the office. All right, now I really gotta head back before I'm late for my work. It's such a nice city. Everyone bikes around here. Fit check. These are from Cotton On, by the way. I think someone passed that. And there's the CN Tower. Okay, time to get to work. Let's see what we have today. I went through this list and I looked at the different tickers that I wanted to trade, and right here you can see I have 4 different tabs open. These are the 4 tickers I will be looking at today. I basically marked different levels, really simple charting process, just horizontal lines. I looked at the overall picture to determine which levels I want to trade away from. So like here, if I cover everything, this is the overall picture movement. So it looks like it's trending upward. And right here, you see that price came down to this support area. Price could either pull back here and push higher, or because this is at all-time highs, this little pullback here could be the next lower high. So then price would go bearish. In order to make sure that you're trading in the correct direction, I'm waiting for price to break out of this range here. Turn this back on. I am essentially just trading away from these 2 levels. Just for highest probability setup. It's nearly starting. Look at that time, 9:28. We have 2 more minutes till we start making money. I'm not an everyday trader. Every trader has a different style. Some traders trade every day. Some traders have multiple trades a day. Some people only take 1 trade a month or a week. My style is just to trade 2 to 3 times a week. I'm only trading if my setup shows. If there's no setup, there's no entry. That's my rule. I am looking for a pullback entry. I am not just gonna jump in on a breakout because those can be fake out sometimes. I am looking for a proper pullback after prior strength. So if price is trending upward, is there a pullback? If it's trending downward, is there a pullback? Is it in the area that I want? If price is not in the area where I have those yellow arrows, then I'm not going to trade. Whoa. Look, this is Google right here. Oh my goodness, this is huge. That's something you don't just jump in that. Before, I would definitely jump in there as a beginner, but it may not continue. It may just shoot up and then tank. Okay, I am getting in AMD puts. So we have market order. I'm gonna do 30 contracts at 7,500 leverage and enter. So this was the whole trade. You can see it off the open. I entered right there, exited right there, really fast scalp, and just looking at momentum. Trade with the trend, enter when there's strength, exit when there's weakness. Beautiful trade off the open, done for the day. I'm basically done with my work at, right now it's 9:51 a.m. I'm just gonna post to my Instagram stories about this trade, and then we can continue with the day. I love this. It's like being in nature. Beautiful day. It's a little foggy, but still nice and sunny. Going down. This gym has everything you need. You got the weights, some machines, just all the equipment, basic stuff. All right, we're starting with my ab routine, 8 exercises, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Also, this is what I'm working with. I got a whole stand. This stuff, like, I think it stands like 6 feet, so pretty good height. Now I gotta warm up my arms. Dumbbells. So I got 5-pound weights, and I'm just gonna open up my rotator cuff. I would say I get deltoids really easily. It's just like genetics, I think. I don't remember the last time I played music to work out. I like never do that. It's kind of nice when it's silent. I prefer like peace. Looks like a twig. No, this gun's under here. All right, I think we're good. Banana and protein. I like to keep really healthy. I feel like healthy food tastes better. So we have frozen dragon fruit, pineapple, mango, and passion fruit, fresh bananas, almond milk, and vanilla protein. All right, so while I have my smoothie, I usually like to just make lunch: eggs, beef, corn, and sweet potato. This is a really good after workout meal. It's just easy and fast. It's the best way to cook a potato. Just poke it everywhere and microwave it. Okay, that's fine. Ugh, hate when that happens. This is so ugly, I kind of ruined this one. Oops. Ooh. That is the finished product. Food and some cherries. All right, so I cleaned up. Right now I'm headed out. Really dressed nice to go nowhere special. I'm wearing Aritzia on the top, Glassons pants, Steve Madden sandals, and just some Amazon glasses. Can't forget these. I love this place. This is one of my favorite malls here. I believe it's one of the newest in Toronto. I really don't know how daily vloggers do this. Vlogging in public is kind of nerve-wracking. What do I need here? Or do I not need anything? Do I need, where's the glue? Alright, let's get these. Hi, I just got this.
It's like still waking up.
We have arrived.
Hi. Could I I get a iced latte
That's iced latte?
and a guac and chips. That's all, thanks. So with all this time freedom, my weekdays are basically like weekends at this point. It's just like a normal day for me. Get your work done early in the morning, and then the rest of the day is for myself. I get to do whatever I want. So I have about half an hour before I have to leave again. I'm going for a run club. It's called Not a Run Club. They do it in the summers in Toronto. Right now, I am just going to answer a couple questions in my Discord. So if you guys need any extra trading assistance, just guidance from me in general, this is where I do it. All changed. I have like so many outfit changes within a day because I'm just like in and out all the time. Nearly there. Wasn't too bad of a walk actually. Here we are.
Perfect. Go. Go.
Good?
And we're done. As you know, trading is a very lonely job. You don't really work with anyone, it's just you. So it's always good to go for events, go for social clubs and everything, just socialize. So I made a friend at the run club and right now we are just having some dinner. I'm finally home. It's so late. Oh man, I didn't even lock this door when I left. All right, it's been a long day. I'm gonna shower and get ready for bed. Like the sirens, there's so many sirens, like at least every 2 hours I hear an ambulance. There's just so much going on here. Oh yeah, earlier, so I didn't give you any context about my dinner. It was a funny story. I was walking away from the run club and heading back. I was gonna pick up some food or I was gonna eat real quick outside and head back home. But as I was walking, someone from the run club was also walking on the same street. So then I ended up talking to the guy. First, it was like, he said, "Oh, you look familiar." So anytime someone says, "I look familiar," it's usually because of like social media, they see me somewhere. But dude also had to get some food. So we ended up going to some Thai place to like get some food real quick. If I ever have time and I bumped into any of you watching, just let me know, because if I have time I will definitely grab a bite or like walk with you somewhere, you know. It depends on the place and time, of course. I don't remember his name, I didn't get the contact, but he was a really sweet, it was a really nice interaction. I really enjoyed it. It's always fun to meet you guys. Like, you guys are like my friends. I don't really have a lot of friends. I have met a couple followers in real life. Like I think the other week I bumped into a girl in the park, and then another one I met someone in a grocery store. I definitely have a lot of different interactions just randomly everywhere, because there's traders in every country, every city, there's someone there. So it's always really fun to meet another trader, because there's not a lot of people that do trading, you know. Anyone on like social media with a big following or, you know, that does this, everyone's a regular person. No one it's just someone who created content and then that content ended up reaching a lot of people. But I think I'm just gonna go to sleep. It's midnight and I gotta wake up to trade tomorrow. We have another busy day. Tomorrow is trading. I'm going for another social group. I'm going for like a church group as well. So anytime I travel, I like to go to church. I like to go to run clubs. Just get out of the house, meet locals. Anyways, good night.